This is the wall to the dining room area. I gotta get some more and all the stores are out. This is the hard wall because there's a lot of stuff up under there. So, finish that. But this all clean. It's so dark I can't get you to see it. I took sandpaper, this porcelain sink, and got all the yuck off of it. Cleaned up fine. See? I like that I have double sinks. And then this, got this clean today, the bathroom one. Got that all clean. I got some chrome polish at home for that. I'll put window blinds over all these windows. I ain't done anything in here today. I'm fixing to lay something beautiful in here. This. I don't know if you can even see that very good. This is going to be the countertop.